Hello everyone, I am Raj Krishna and I am going to talk with you about the importance of grit and perseverance in this exam. To all the students, I want to say that examinations in India are not a process of selection but rather a process of rejection. So don't feel bad if you are not successful in any exam because that is life. And one major principle that is very much applicable in all the exams is be a karma yogi. So a karma yogi is one who believes in only doing his karma and he is not cared about the result. And that is how your efforts also should be. Focus only on your efforts and not on the results. Instances of suicides or any bad incidents because of failure in the exam is really disheartening and a shame for the whole education system. So try to develop out of it. Don't let UPSC measure your worth. You are a worthy individual, either you are an IAS or not. And also always think about why you want to become an IAS. I'm sure the answer will be to serve the society and to make the world a better place. Well, you don't need to be an IAS for that. So whatever you do in your life, you will be great and you will be very successful. Have that confidence in yourself. And there are three main pillars for mental stability. The first is parents, second is your partner, and third is your friends. So build these three pillars very strongly and communicate with your parents during this journey because they will always be on your side. Last thing that I like to say to you all is टूट कर भी जो मुस्कुरा दे उसे भला कोई कैसे हरा दे. Thank you everyone.